Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So today I have created this really easy beginner friendly black smoky liner look for you all, and this is the 8th addition to my Navratri makeup series. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with my eye makeup first, and to cancel the darkness around my eye, I'm going to first apply my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then I'm going to set this concealer with my Cover FX translucent powder. And now I'm going to go in with Rimmel's Soft Kohl in the shade Jet Black, and I'm going to apply this kajal very roughly. एंड मैंने जो स्कॉच टेप है उसे पहले ही लगा दिया था. मैंने स्कॉच टेप इसलिए लगाया ताकि मुझे शार्प एज मिले. And then I'm going to smudge this kohl, making sure that I don't go above my crease. And now I'm going to set this kohl with my Urban Decay's Blackout eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take ColourPop's Double Entendre eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this eyeshadow called NEKKID, and with the help of this eyeshadow I'm going to blend our kohl and our black eyeshadow. Now I'm again going to reapply Urban Decay's Blackout eyeshadow. So now let's move on to skin. So I'm going to prime my skin with BECCA's Backlight Priming Filter. And for my foundation today, I'm mixing these two foundations. Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Soft Matte Longer Foundation in the shade 290, and NYX's HD Foundation, which is in the shade Warm Beige. So for my under eyes today, I will be going in with two concealers. The first one is NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger, and the second one is Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. And I'm going to set my concealer with Cover FX translucent powder. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with NYX HD Powder Foundation in the shade Golden. And to add some color to my cheeks, I'm using Tarte's Blush BAZAAR palette, and I've taken this blusher called Authentic. And for my highlighter today, I'm using Huda Beauty's highlighter palette, and this one is called Golden Sands, and I have taken Seychelles and Zanzibar. I'm mixing these two highlighters. So I'm now just going to quickly finish rest of my eye makeup. So I'm applying today Milani's Stay Put Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black Matte. And on my waterline, I'm applying Milani's Stay Put Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Linked on Black. So now I'm going to coat my upper lashes with KIKO Milano's Extra Sculpt Waterproof Mascara. And for my lower lashes, I'm going to go in with Benefit's Roll Lash Mascara. And for my inner corner, I'm going to apply Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And for my lip color today, I am applying Anastasia's liquid lipstick in the shade Catnip. And on top of it, I'm going to apply Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb. And lastly, I'm going to set my makeup with SKINDINAVIA's The Makeup Finishing Spray. So this tutorial comes to an end, guys, and I really hope that you liked this makeup look, and if you did, then do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please hit on that bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads, and I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.